Hello, everybody. Welcome back to B10X. I'm Antriksh, and once again back with all the AI updates and news that you want. And I have a lot of spicy updates today because you know what? There's a lot been happening in the AI world. There are a lot of global leaders, global summits been happening. There's a lot of new tech, new products, new line, a lot of things that companies are now launching into the AI world, and we are all here for it. And
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
A great man named Rowan Chung gives us all of the AI updates that we'd ever need. So, huge developments in the world of AI today. He says from Apple, UK AI Safety Summit, as I said, Instagram, LinkedIn, OpenAI, Google, ChatGPT leak, and 10 new AI tools. Now, AI tools, 10 new AI tools, he's gonna be posting them about later. So we're gonna jump into them later, maybe in another video. But for now, we have this. Apple reportedly plans to launch advanced health monitoring by, so we already know about the whole right pulse and heartbeat and stuff and steps, but now they're going to go into a lot more other things. The AI will be implemented in its services. Wow, AI healthcare. So Apple is making a big jump into now going into AI healthcare, which might be a subscription based model or something like that. It's going to be very interesting to see. Apple plans hypertension, sleep apnea detection for next watch. This is going to be a game changer. I mean, checking out hypertension with the watch, that could really be fascinating as well as very helpful. So that's good. That's good. Right. They say USA, EU, China. Let's just pause this. EU, European Union, China, and over 25 countries signed a declaration to collectively govern AI risks at the UK AI Safety Summit. Of course, we heard Rishi Sunak saying that there you go. The Global AI Safety Summit, here's what we hope to achieve, right? Let's just again pause this one. Agree on the risks of AI to inform how we manage them, discuss on how we can collaborate better internationally. Look at how safe AI can be used for good globally, right? So that is something they're looking for. And if we go back here, right, again. So I mean, they've basically decided on many steps, which is very required because you know what I mean. AI, while all of its things are being discussed in the positive light, we have a lot of risks that need to be mitigated with it as well. So right, here's what Elon Musk had to say. But just before that, I want to draw your attention to this. Yup, an AI tools masterclass for just 9 rupees. You know what? AI has just absolutely wrecked the whole job scene. It's taken over a lot of jobs. AI wouldn't replace you, but a person using AI certainly will. And if they're better equipped than AI, if they know how to use GPT, the tools to the fullest extent, they are going to overtake you. So we here at B10X present the masterclass for AI tools and Chat GPT for just 9 rupees. Yup, for just 9 rupees. It's only for 2 hours, 3 hours, and you're going to be equipped with the best based knowledge that you could ever have. These guys, two IIT Kharagpur alumni, the best teachers you could ever have for AI, are going to be here to teach you everything about it. It has been proven to reduce workload by at least 2 hours daily. You need no prior knowledge. You just need to jump in and secure your future with us by signing up the workshop. The link is in the description, the pinned comment down below. Do check that out and sign up for that workshop only for 9 rupees and 2 to 3 hours, and you're good to go, right? So let's jump back here. We have paused this one. The AI Safety Summit, Elon Musk said that. So obviously it's hypothetical. Believes what he says. He says it's 80% beneficial and 20% dangerous. So of course, we need to hope for the best, but obviously prepare for the worst. Now moving on to this. Instagram's new AI friend has been leaked. The feature appears to allow users to customize the AI friend to their liking and then chat with it. For screenshots leaked by Alessandro Paluzzi. The move would make sense given Instagram's recent AI personas. So of course we saw how Kendall Jenner, the model, I think she's the highest paid model or something like that. So right, but she has an AI version to her now, and it's not Kendall Jenner. It looks exactly like her. It maybe talks and speaks like her, but it's not her. It's the AI avatar of her, which apparently has got nothing to do with her in the digital world. So yeah. LinkedIn began rolling out a new AI-powered job seeker coach for premium members. I mean, how cool is that? The tool aims to match job candidates with openings, interview prep, and much more. I mean, this is where something like LinkedIn Premium or whatever that is, this could, be very necessary for people, and this could really prompt people going for LinkedIn Premium all right now. If you're hoping for API access to GPT-4V's latest voice and image, you may not have to wait much longer. OpenAI head of development relations Logan Kay tweeted soon, fueling speculation of an announcement of the company's Dev Day on November 6th. For all the people sending manually, we will soon. So there you go. Google just released. Yeah, let's just pause this as well. We want to take no chances. It can be paused though. Yeah, we can. So Google just released MetNet 3, an AI model that makes highly accurate 24-hour weather forecast. All right, Google claims MetaNet 3 outperforms the top traditional physics-based models. The upgrade is now live across Google's weather, so you guys can check it out right now. All the weather-related products. That's going to be very interesting, right? Let's just pause this yet again. A GPT 3.5 leak has exposed a random person's photo. Now, although not confirmed, this poor dude was caught up in the training data. Now, this is something which is, again, as you see, one of the risks, how this could be a bit shaky. So, this is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what risks it can possess. So while it won't maybe seem very hazardous to some, but it's very creepy and scary for a lot of people, right? So this is just three new jobs were posted in the world of AI: Anthropic AI, Radii AI, and OpenAI, right? So of course you guys can check out there. 10 new tools, of course, and as they've said that they are gonna tell us about it someday later. So till the time, that was all from the AI world. Thank you so much to Rohan Chung for giving us all the updates. And thank you so much to all of you for checking the video out till now. If you liked it, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the link down below for the workshop, AI tools workshop of the highest order. It's going to teach you about AI tools, ChatGPT in the best possible way. And do check that out. And take care of yourselves till the time I speak to you next. See you.